introduction.
My name is Ritesh Kumar. I am a second year student of the Department of Chemical Engineering and do a BTech course. I am a boarder of Patel Hall of Hyderabad. I am from Bharuch, Gujarat. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary Technology students in Ghana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2026-2027. My statement of purpose for the post of General Secretary Technology students in Ghana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur is as follows. वह पद क्या, पति कुशलता क्या, जिस पथ पर बिखरे शूल न हो। नाविक की धैर्य परीक्षा क्या, जब धाराएं प्रतिकूल न हो। These lines are given by Sri Jai Prakash Shankar, meaning true skills and resilience can only be proven when one overcomes the challenges and adversity. I believe a true leader keeps the team united and ensures each and every effort were placed in the right direction with clarity and purpose. Leadership is about bringing people together and working towards the common goal. I am excited by this opportunity to contribute in strengthening the technological culture of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. This position offers me the chance to create a positive impact across the institute. Being able to work for the larger student community and to contribute towards the technological culture is something that motivates me. Through my experiences in institute, I have came to learn the skills, coordination, teamwork and problem solving in a practical way. My candidature for the post of General Secretary Technology students in Ghana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur is based on my extracurricular and co-curricular involvement in campus. As a Shitesh campus affiliate, Shitesh 2025, I was entrusted with 3 other Shitesh campus affiliates and ensure end-to-end execution of the inauguration ceremony. I also manage the audio and visual work on Shitesh Arena in Shitesh 2025. As a core organizing team member, Shitesh 2026, my contribution was mainly divided into 3 domains, namely event management, sponsorship, and publicity. On the event management front, as a part of introductory seminar, I coordinated with the speakers and managed the flow of the event. As a part of hosting team at Kolkata Tech Workshop, I, along with 2 co-organizing team members, successfully hosted the workshop, managed stage operations, and engaged with 762 students who participated in the Kolkata Tech Workshop. As a part of guest lecture team, I along with the teammates, have secured the 10 guest lecturers for Kshitij 2026, namely Dr. K.N. Vyas, former Chairman, Atomic Energy Commission of India, Mr. Rishi Shukla, former CBI Director, Dr. V. Narayanan, Chairman, Indian Space Research Organization, Professor Alok Kumar, coach of Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla, Mr. Angad Pratap and Mr. Ajit Krishnan, Indian astronaut, Mr. Sanjeev Khanna, 51st Chief Justice of India, Mr. Ashok Lavasa, former Election Commissioner of India, Mr. Vipul Chandra, Managing Director, Ducati India, Sri K.S. Kiran Kumar, former Chairman, Indian Space Research Organization. And we also conducted the online guest lecture session of Srimati Meerabai Chanu, who the Indian weightlifter. I, along with a core organizing team member, on board the speakers from industries such as Flipkart, Microsoft, SCL Tech, and Sri Maruti Logistics for Tech Summit and Business Conclave event. I was also responsible and assigned the flagship event of Kshitij, namely RoboWars, and bring a total participation of 46 teams for 3 kg boards, 16 teams for 8 kg boards, and 10 teams for 15 kg boards. During the first time, I was assigned the first time responsibility of transportation, where I coordinated with the drivers and guests to ensure timely and effortless transportation for 91 guests. As a part of guest reception team, I, along with a core organizing team member, have ensured the hospitality of 130 guests at Technology Guest House by coordinating with the members and staff of Technology Guest House. As a Kshitij campus affiliate coordinator, I oversaw the group of 68 Kshitij campus affiliates who contributed to securing the total participation of 2,000 students. On the sponsorship front, I was responsible for alumni contribution of Bangalore region, and we secured the total alumni contribution of 7,79,401 rupees, which marks a significant increase of 20.16%. I secured the brand partnership for the fest, namely Plum Goodness, the official gifting partner, Formation Skin is the official skincare partner, Term is the official styling partner, and the partnership worth more than 4 lakh rupees. On the publicity front, I, along with a core organizing team member, was responsible for publicizing the fest in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh region, and we successfully conducted 3 guest gigs, namely in the College of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Ranchi, Ramgarh Engineering College, Chaibaza Engineering College, and bring the total participation of more than 15% from the previous year from regions of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. We oversaw the group of 80 campus ambassadors, ensure task tracking and regular coordination amongst the campus ambassadors. I was also the part of team which was responsible to carry the offline publicity campaign in the region of Bihar. As a part of Gujarat Cultural Association, we, a team of 14 heads and 37 associate members, have successfully conducted the Garba Night 2024 with a total participation of 480 students. We, in collaboration with Maharashtra Mandal, have conducted the Food Fest 2025 with a total footfall of more than 1,500 students. As the summit of Gujarat Cultural Association, we, the team of 14 heads, 24 sub-heads and 37 associate members, conducted the Garba Night 2025 with a total participation of 980 students, which marks a significant increase of more than 97%. Recently, we conducted the Food Fest with a footfall of more than 3,000 students. Additionally, I was a part of data analytics team of Patel Hall of Residence in General Championship Technology for the academic session 2025-2026. I believe all these experiences have helped me in develop my skills in leadership, management and problem solving in a practical way. I believe these skills have helped me in developing a practical knowledge of managing teams and executing large-scale initiatives. From these skills, I believe I am one of the eligible candidates for the post of General Secretary Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. And I am ready to serve towards the technological culture of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur.
मेरे को एक स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल चाहिए जहाँ पे तेरे लीडरशिप स्किल टेस्ट हुए। स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल, वो क्षितिज वाली चीजें रिपीट मत करना। स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल है जहाँ पे तेरा मैनेजरल स्किल या फिर कोऑपरेशन जो तूने मेंशन किया अपने स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस में, वो टेस्ट हुए होंगे।
So, if you would have heard my statement of purpose clearly, I was a part of team. Sir, can you please let me complete my answer? I was a part of team which carried the offline publicity campaign in Bihar, and I, along with the two co-organizing team members, led that team. Along with that, we also conducted the food fest, and we led the team of 37 associate members in Gujarat Cultural Association. And as a Chhattisgarh campus affiliate coordinator, I oversaw the group of 68 Chhattisgarh campus affiliates who were able to secure the total participation of 2,000 students.
You mentioned your department in your introduction. Can you tell me 5 notable alumni with their designation who belong to your department? 5 notable alumni.
Now, I believe it would be good relevant if you ask the question to my candidature. We will definitely discuss about it.
How is it relevant? How is
my
it
statement of
relevant?
balance, about the name of alumni after my statement of purpose.
Wait, answer this question. Why was the design team of Kshitij 2025-2026 scrapped?
Now, I request you to not to make any business allegation on the design team of the day. Now, to conduct the fest successfully, there are 3 pillars, including design team, core team, and tech team. And so, answering the question, there are 4 design team heads and cities for the academic session 2025-2026.
explaining.
You are requested to listen to them.
Wait, so while hearing about your tenure as a CTM in Kshitish, while hearing about your tenure as a CTM at Kshitish, I have heard that after the show of Raftaar on day 2 at NMG ground, it was your responsibility to get the DJ. In the mega show of Kshitish on day 2, after Raftaar concert was done, it was your responsibility to get the next DJ on time. Yes, you were in the transportation team, but it was your brother and you were not even. It was your issue and you were not even.
Alice, no comment, only question.
Sir, answer your question. Your voice is not audible.
Wait, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Okay, so on day 2 of Kshitish in the mega show, after Raftaar's concert was ended, there was a huge amount of delay between the first performance and the second performance, and it was your duty to make sure the artist reached on the stage on time. So first of all, you failed on this. Second problem, can you also answer just on this point? Can you please answer on this?
Sir, I request you to please refrain yourself.
This is very wrong by the whole industry. This is very wrong by the whole industry. I know.
I am let me complete my answer. I definitely answer your question. Sir, please don't take any baseless allegation on my nature. The delay was due to the board of issue of artists and as the cab was in the front of technology guest house. I am fulfilled my each and every responsibility as a co-organizing team member and as a transportation FTR responsibility.
Wait, here. Can you please tell me how many Indian IITs are hosted by IIT KGP and what are the standing of IIT KGP on that?
Sir, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur hosted 3 Inter IIT Tech Meet and the standing of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur in all the 3 Inter IIT Tech Meet is good, and I am very proud of the team of Indian IIT Tech Meet that they have secured the gold position in all the 3 Inter IIT Tech Meet.
Wait. From your introduction, it was very clear you are only involved in KTJ. Do you even know about rest of the societies in KGP which are involved with tech? Can you name all of them? And can you tell me what do they do?
Sir, please heard my statement of purpose clearly. I was not only involved in cities, I was a part of Gujarat Cultural Association along with the data analytics team of Patel Hall of President. Sir, there are 12 societies under the General Secretary Technology. The names are as follows: 180 Degrees Consulting, Business Club, Aerial Robotics Kharagpur, Technology Robotics Society, Kharagpur RoboSoccer Students Group, Developers Society, Dreamer of Code, Computer Graphics Society, IIT Kharagpur Quiz Club, Kharagpur Data Analytics Group, TEDx IIT Kharagpur, Prodex.
क्या तुमने टीम कार्ड का नाम सुना है?
Sir, please correct your fact. Team card is not under the General Secretary Technology. Please correct your fact. It is under the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Sir, I request you, before asking any question, please correct your fact and have a perfect knowledge about the asking question.
Hello, Aryavat. Can you tell me the names of all the SCOMs that are in the KGK Tech team along with their department and Hall of Presidents?
Sir, I'm here to present my candidature, not to announce the name of each and every steering committee member of Tech team. If you want to know the name of each and every steering committee member, we will have a fruitful discussion after my statement of purpose.
Wait, I have heard your SOP.
So, I am very disheartened that the panelists does this voting on the basis of investment in inter-IIT contingent team. So, that I have learned the enough amount of managerial skills and I am eligible to contest for the post of General Secretary Technology, Technology Students in Ghana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and to contest for the post of General Secretary Technology. It is not written anywhere that you should be the member of inter-IIT contingent team. My proposal for the post of General Secretary Technology, Technology Students in Ghana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur are as follows. Proposal 1, Freshers Career Orientation Program at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Students pursue a diverse range of career paths. However, freshers often lack early clarity at an early stage and often waste time due to the unstructured guidance. Many students who are not involved in any particular campus activities often feel isolated, and due to the lack of knowledge, it becomes very difficult for them to determine their career path. This proposal introduces a structured program delivered through weekly workshops which will provide freshers with comprehensive guidance and regarding this career domain from the outset. The impact of these proposals are early direction and structured growth, help freshers by giving them exposure at an early stage and providing a well-informed path to pursue any of the fields. Deeper exploration, students get time to experiment with domains before forming opinions. Provide an early exposure, enabling students to prepare in advance for inter-IIT technique and other competitions. Increase participation in open IIT events, a student with similar exposure to such activities. Offers a structured career path while motivating students to reward and incentives for active participation. My proposal 2 is Research Connect. At the Institute of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, a significant amount of research is carried out by postgraduate and research scholar students. However, undergraduate students often remain unaware of these ongoing projects and lack of opportunities due to the lack of structured platform for interaction. Impact of this proposal is build stronger collaboration and connection between undergraduate, postgraduate and research scholar students community. Helps undergraduate students gain insights into real world research at an early stage. Enables interested students to find research opportunities and make it easier to find ongoing research work at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. My proposal 3 is Next Generation Development, AI-aided coding workshop and open IIT event. With the rapid rise of generative AI tools such as GitHub Copilot, Claude and OpenAI Codex, software development is evolving from traditional coding into AI-augmented problem solving. Today students need to learn not only how to code but also how to work effectively with AI to design, debug and build real-world systems. This proposal introduced a focused workshop on AI-aided coding followed by an open IIT event designed to test and apply those skills in competitive and build-oriented format. The impact of this workshop is build industry-relevant skills in AI-assisted software development, promote a hands-on, build-first culture among students, encourage beginner-friendly participation targeted towards first-year students, strengthen student innovation and visibility during Open IIT, introduces participants to practical AI-driven development workflows. My proposal for women Leadership and Innovation Conclave Chittis. This proposal aims to organize Women Conclave at Chittis to celebrate and demonstrate the strength, talent and achievements of women across diverse domains. This initiative focuses on challenges conventional perception by bringing forward inspiring journey of accomplishment personalities, thereby fostering a more inclusive and progressive mindset. By witnessing such impactful stories firsthand, female students are encouraged to believe in their potential, pursue ambitious goals, and actively participate in various fields with confidence. Impact of these workshops are encourage the female student that women can achieve greatness in any field. This discussion amongst panelists along with the participants led to solving social issues faced by the female students. Provide students with direct interaction with accomplished female leaders, helping them visualize real career pathways.
Redundant. So it is not a very new initiative by yourself. It already exists and it happens at regular intervals. So how is it innovative and new?
Ma'am, I'm definitely agreed with your question, but to increase and empower the women in the tech field, and after talking with the panelists who have come to the Business Conclave and Tech Summit event, and they have mentioned that there is a need to conduct a specialized women conclave event to empower the women in the field of technology.
Are you suggesting that the Women Connect Club is not responsible enough to have enough panel discussions for themselves and to support their ideology?
Ma'am, please don't try to mislead the general body by stating such statements. I want to conduct the Women Conclave along with the event of Women Connect to empower the women in the field of technology. I'm not saying at any of the point that Women Connect is not doing their work.
Well, your own proposals are very evidence of how low effort you have put into them, how much less of groundwork you have done. I'll tell you why. Okay. I'll tell you why. So, of all of the 4 proposals, you have mentioned essentially the same thing. You will just conduct more workshops. You say every 4 proposal is the same. You will conduct more workshops. And the thing is, if you would have done more groundwork, you would have understood that the Gymkhana timeline is already very crammed and packed with so much events. There is no more space to conduct these events in the very cramped timeline of Gymkhana. Secondly, Kshitij in itself also has a lot of events. Where will you conduct this extra one event? Have you thought of any groundwork? Have you thought of any concrete timeline in which you will put these events?
Please ask one question at a time. Can you please be more louder?
My question is, as I mentioned, all of your proposals are redundant. You have clearly not shown any effort towards the groundwork. So the question is, all of your 4 proposals are just mentioning more workshops, right? But you already know if you would have done groundwork, the Gymkhana timeline of Open IT events, DC events is already very cramped. How will you fit these 4 extra proposals worth of workshops in that timeline?
I request you not to make any baseless comments on my proposal. And if you have read our groundwork, I've mentioned the timeline of each and every event and workshop which I'm going to conduct during my entire tenure. So I request you to please kindly read the proposal carefully before asking any of the questions.
If you would have done your groundwork properly,
Panelists, no comment. If you have any follow-up, you can ask.
GC events and open IT events are always delayed. The timeline is not followed. How will you include these events in the timeline? If the events are running late, how will you add extra events?
Please don't disrespect the General Secretary Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. They have done the entire tenure and conducted each and every event successfully and have mentioned the timeline of each and every proposal in which I am going to conduct the workshops and events.
Wait, first of all, you did not answer her question to its satisfaction. She asked if the current initiative in the institute is not balanced. The panelist who asked the question has also used a follow-up.
Taking the fact
So if you have any other question, you can ask. If you have any other question, you can ask. Candidate is not to satisfy the panelist. He is here to represent him in the general body. Wait, I have a question on proposal 1. This already looks very chat GPT. You have mentioned that there will be a program which will consist of 2 workshops, including SD, data, quant, finance, consulting, product management. First of all, what was the basis of this segregation? Because you missed a lot of things. There is an event named Hardware Modeling in the General Championship. There is an event named Ad Design. There is an event named Product Design. And there's one question. What about these people? One question at a time. What about design people? Second, if you have mentioned only 6, what was the basis of your segregation? Second, what about hardware modeling and design people in the institute?
Please refrain yourself before making any baseless allegations on my proposal. I segregated into 2 domains, a technological and non-technological domain. And I have mentioned the 3 domains in technology which are the basis to understand the field of technology. And I have mentioned the another 3 events in technological, non-technological workshops which are the basis for the non-technological domain.
Wait, just a second. I request the Janata to not shout or not cheer when the candidate is speaking. This is made very clear at the starting of the soap box itself. Please maintain the decorum or else we need to stop this soap box.
Wait. Wait, this side. My question is regarding your proposal to Research Connect. In groundwork, you have mentioned that you have had a discussion with various research scholar representatives. My hall has the highest number of research scholar representatives and I'm well connected with them. Can you tell with whom you are connected? Because I have received the feedback you are not connected with them.
We will definitely discuss about the name of each and every research scholar student who want to talk about my proposal and we will have a fruitful discussion on this.
Wait, in your proposal 3, you have mentioned that participants would be using tools like GitHub Copilot, Claude and OpenAI Codex for the competition OpenAI. As far as I know, all of these tools have a minimum pricing of $20 each. And if I assume 1,000 participants minimum for the OpenIT event, total of $20,000 for this event would be used to be given to the participants. If I want to ask from where this money would be coming from, and if it is coming from sponsors, what would be the top 5 names of the companies who can deliver this $20,000 for the participants of OpenIT?
Answering your question, and before mentioning this in my proposal, I've talked with Professor Vikrant Rachola, who has already conducted the workshop on this event, which will help me to conduct this workshop, and I have done this the groundwork. Additionally, I've talked with the base 44 officials who were interested to conduct the workshop on AI coded and also interested to conduct the OpenIT event.
Can you name companies who will sponsor this? My question was about the companies who can sponsor this and give $20,000 to the participants of OpenIT, not the workshop. Secondly, what would be the deliverables of this workshop? How will you assess the skills?
Panelists, one question at a time. If you have any follow-up, you can.
Wait, here.
Please answer
My
this.
question is on your proposal 1. What groundwork have you done for organizing the roadmap workshop and whom you have contacted?
Please answer the follow-up to my question first.
answering your question, I've already mentioned that I've talked with the officials of this 44 company for the same. So, answering your question, I've talked with the governors of societies which I've mentioned as my groundwork in my proposal one, and they are interested to conduct this workshop in collaboration to provide the roadmap to the first year students and ensuring that each and every student got enough amount of knowledge and clarity from this workshop.
Wait, identified the pain points correctly. In your proposal for the fourth proposal.
Manage one question at a time.
My question is from the fourth proposal of Women Connect. What is the ideal impact that you look forward to after your proposal is successfully implemented?
Now, on this Women's Day, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur have launched the real initiative to empower the women in terms of health and also the 1 lakh women in women leadership program. So I've implemented this proposal to align with the idea of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. Thank you so